Okay, so when you go into the grease pencil section, you're faced with this screen here. Now, this icon here is your draw icon. So it by default it's set to draw pencil. So let's just quickly draw a couple of strokes. So it's come out of a grey stroke. Now to increase the size of the stroke, just this icon here is called a radius. So just slide it up or down, or you can type in, and basically then it will increase your stroke. And then you've got your strength. You can either type in or you can slide in and out. So if we slided it up, it's going to make it darker, and if we slided it down, it'll make it lighter. Yeah, because it's a pencil. This hair icon here is your eraser. So if we go click on the erase, and then if we increase the radius and the strength, then we can just rub out what we've just drawn. Okay, so let's go back to the drawing icon. So when you click on here, you've got different icons here. You've got F draw block. We'll just quickly draw there. You've got F draw ink. You've got F draw marker. F draw marker is really nice for inking. And then you've got your F draw noise, again another good inking one. And then you've got F draw pen. And you've got F draw pencil, which you've already seen. And then we've got F draw soft. F draw soft is like an airbrushy type brush. So then let's just rub that out now. So they're your pens. Let's increase the radius and then just rub it out. Okay, so say for example we wanted to change the actual colour of the object. We just basically, say we're drawing with the block, we just draw, and then you go down to this icon here underneath the grease pencil icon. That's your material icon, and then you've got it's ticked on stroke. Click on that colour there, and now we can change the colours of the stroke. Yeah, we can also add particular colours if we wanted to. These are the ones that are predefined. So if we clicked on red and we draw, it would just draw grey. Yeah, these are the predefined ones. So that's the way you switch between your colours. Let's just rub this out now. Another thing you can do with your brushes, if we just go back to a F draw, say let's just go back to F draw pen. Now if we was to draw with this F draw pen, let's just make it black, or yeah. The other thing you can do with your F draw pen is, say for example you wanted to adjust the curves. It's basically to make it look more inky. So we can just click on curves and you can just play around with the curve strength, jitter, etc. I would suggest you just play around with it and then you get the effect you want. Okay, let's still have a look at these icons here. This is your straight line stroke. So if we just draw with this stroke, it gives you control points at the beginning and the end of the object which you can move around. You can also, if you press E, the E key, you can add a new line to it. So if we press E now, it will just allow you to add more strokes to it. So that's pretty cool. And then let's let me now show you the arc stroke again. If we use to draw an arc, it gives you a control point at the beginning and the end, which you can move around. And then again, you can also add another stroke to it, add another stroke to it by just pressing the E key, and then it allows you to add another stroke to it. Okay. And then we've got this stroke here, curve stroke. Now this is my favourite stroke, and I think it become your favourite stroke as well, especially for doing inking. So say for example, the reason why it's my favourite stroke, if you look at it, if you press, let's start, it gives you a control point at the top and at the bottom, but it also gives you one in the middle, which allows you to position your your stroke anywhere you want. So it gives you two, actually it gives you two, it gives you one there and one there. So it gives you more power and versatility over your stroke. And again, with like the other strokes, you press E and you can add more strokes to it. So now we've got, so it's very powerful, this stroke here. And then we've got the square stroke, which basically does what it says on the tin, creates a stroke, square. Remember to press return when you want to make the stroke permanent. And then you got your circle, and again you can position it and move it around by using the control points. And Control Z also Control Z is just for your to delete it or undo it basically. Okay, so that's the stroke sorted out.